So I had to perform surgery on my drain auger. I used pliers to cut off the tip because see how small those holes are in my kitchen sink? The tip wouldn't fit, so I had to cut it off, and here's the piece that I cut off. I'm gonna show you how it worked. I tried everything around the house that I had and nothing worked, so finally I had to cut my drain auger. So I'm gonna push my snake all the way down in there, and then there's a black handle on top of the red area. That's where I'm gonna twist until the water leaks out. And it's all the way in. My left hand is on the trigger to hold it in place, and I'm twisting. So I use bleach to clean my snake, and I'm placing it back in the box. This is everything that it came with. It came with 3 pieces of those orange color pieces, but I used one before this. It has gloves and manual, and it's very easy to use. This is my second time using it, and it's doing everything that it's supposed to. I'm happy with it.